Enjoy! Hi guys, I actually did end up doing my makeup and hair. It took several failed attempts, but now, each time I learned something new. For example, I was overcomplicating my non-professional self with too much choices, so I decided to stick to one palette. So this video here just proves that if you keep on trying, eventually you'll get there. First thing I did was thread my eyebrows. It was very painful. I'm sure you don't want to see that. For my makeup look, I applied Wilko Skin Cream followed by Bio Oil for my acne scars, L'Oreal Paris color I Enjoy lipstick, or in other words Scarlet, eyeliner on the inner edges of the eye, and used L'Oreal mascara. Death by Chocolate palette. I used a Q-tip to apply the eyeshadow, so I had to remove the excess with makeup remover. I just put lipstick on my cheeks as blush. After some head scratching on what to do with my hair, I decided to do the following. I do like the curls of my hair, but I want to go for a different style. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to braid the side of my hair. I'll find out what I'm going to do with the rest after. I find it easier to do it down rather than this way, but I think this way does look cooler, so that's what I'm going to do today. First, I'm going to get the hair I don't want out of my way. My face is going to look funny while I do it. Just going to brush out a bit of hair. I'm going to take that out of the way. Obviously, make sure there's no knots in it. First things first. Starting from the top, I'll pick out like such a thin little piece of hair with two hands, then use my middle finger to bring out the third strand. I could imagine it being the rest of this, so I separate that, bring what's in my finger underneath, and just weave this on top. And I carry on this all the way, one by one, if you can see. It gets easier the further back you are, since you will have more hair to work with. Try not to pick up any unwanted hair along the way. And just take it slow. This takes time. The less you pick up on each plait, the better it's going to look, in my opinion. The important thing is just making sure it's as close to your head as you can from the start, because the moment you let go of it, you're going to have bumps, and that will show when you finish. It really does help to have some nails. Whew, feel really hot now. This is kind of long. It takes like 5 minutes for one. There's probably fast ways of doing it, but I haven't taught myself that yet. So tiny now. So I'm going to be doing the same, but along here. I've parted all of this on this side, and I'm going to follow the same pattern over here. So I'm just running my finger along here to separate the top and the bottom to try and get a clean line, or you can use the back of your brush. I will say start with bigger plaits and progressively go smaller. It's hard to jump in straight into the small plaits, so I used to do plaits with all my hair. Then on each side, so half my hair, so I guess just go half by half by half and see how small you can get your braids to be. Round number 3. Okay. You can stop there, or you can carry on taking this further. So sometimes I just stop there by just leaving like this, or even plaiting this into one heavy one, and it still looks fine as it is. Or let's see how far I can take this. I'm just gonna take all of it and pin it up. Oh, I got nowhere to pin it. Just move it out the way, I guess. Looks funny. This is when you can clearly see it was cut by me. It's just literally looks like. I'm gonna brush it down, and I'm going to start from here, go all the way around, take all the hair, and carry on down, have it dangling. One tip is try and keep following the direction of the plait. Keep your hands in that direction. The moment you change it, you're gonna leave a length of hair which you don't want, and it will end up with bumps in your plait. So just keep it in the correct direction and it will look neat. So right now my hair looks like this. You can stop there, or you can carry on. Do you want to carry on? Yes, I want to carry on. Let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna add one more step to this. I think I will just tie it back. I'm going to bring it as high as I can, so you can actually see that it's tied back even when I'm looking straight. I like how the braids look when it's tied back like this. This ponytail always makes your hair look longer than it is. How? It looks like it's going from here to here. Actually, the hair that starts here stops here, and the hair that starts here ends all the way here. So it just tricks the look into making it seem like it's much longer than it is. I think long straight earrings look good with this style. And that's it. Thanks for getting ready with me.